Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting in the system settings to stop continuous listening. That's the fastest control point. On Android, navigate to Settings, then Google, then Search, Assistant and Voice, and open Voice options to disable voice match and voice typing features. On iPhone, go straight to Settings, Siri, and search to turn off Listen for Hey Siri, and press Side button for Siri. Then open Privacy Speech Recognition and toggle App Level Recognition off. Once done, the OS will stop routing live audio to speech services. Next, you'll remove permissions and disable input triggers so apps can't start recognition. Open Settings Apps, pick each app that used voice features, tap permissions, and revoke microphone and speech recognition where present. This prevents background activation. Then open your keyboard app, Gboard, Samsung Keyboard, etc. and turn off voice input in Preferences so the mic icon no longer triggers dictation. Finally, inspect accessibility services for any speech-to-text tools and disable those modules. Because accessibility permissions, finish by verifying the change. Restart your phone to ensure settings apply, then test by opening a text field and attempting voice input. It should not activate. If speech recognition still runs, audit third-party apps and accessibility services again. Some apps request microphone and speech permissions separately. Make sure to clear app caches or reset app preferences to restore default permission states. If that fails, uninstall the suspect app. This resolves cases where an app continuously triggers recognition despite system toggles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.